Welcome to eGolf Real World Episode 8. Today we take a look at replacing the battery on your key fob. How can you tell you need to replace the battery? Well, you push down on one of the buttons and there's no indication. On a good unit, when you push the button, the little light will come on. So what do we need to do this? Simply a quarter or a large coin and a small screwdriver. And that's it. Plus a battery, of course. First thing we do with the unit is we open up the key, get our coin, and you see the slot where the key was in. That's what you're going to stick the coin into and twist. You're going to twist at the top end, which is closest to the key, and at the bottom end. This will pry open the door, and the door simply comes off. Now inside, you'll notice there's your battery. Note that it's facing towards you, and note the size of the battery. In this case, it's a Panasonic CR2025, a 3-volt battery. Replace it with a similar battery. It doesn't have to be a Panasonic, but it has to be a CR2025 3-volt. Don't substitute. Grab your screwdriver, and in the lower right-hand corner, as the key is facing up, there's a little open notch. That's where you'll stick the screwdriver. Now put your thumb over the battery, otherwise it's going to pop out because it's under spring tension. And then just lift up, and the battery pops out, slides out of the way. Voila! Grab your new fresh battery, insert it, slide it into the back corner, press down, and that's it. It's locked into place. Get the cover, slide it into its back setting. It's a little hinge there. And then just press down on the front. And now you can close the key. And you've changed the battery on your eGolf fob. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment, and as always, subscribe, and thank you very, very much for watching.